I have something here, a vacuum from Hoover.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel, GC Lifestyle.
ONEPWR system, cordless. Everyday cleaning, cordless freedom. So I believe it's been a while I haven't buy a vacuum. I remember my last time I bought 2004, so it's not 18 years ago. Can you imagine 18 years ago and I bought a new vacuum in my life? Oh, anyways, I need this. Look at this, my cutter. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna start opening this one, unboxing this Hoover ONEPWR system, cordless, everyday cleaning, cordless freedom. So it's rechargeable. Let me read first. DustVault Technology removes 99% continuous runtime with interchangeable battery. So it means while are you changing the battery, is still running. That's how it says, continuous runtime with interchangeable battery. So while you're operating, you change the battery and it's still running while you're changing the battery. So cordless convenience. Okay, so nice and small. You can make it extended with the brush. Okay, what says in here more? Fingertips control, removable handle, dust tracker, LED headlights. Oh, it has a headlight. Oh wow, okay. Multi-surface floors nozzle, reach wand, removable dirt cup, ONEPWR Lithium-Ion Battery. Oh, that's a good battery actually. DustVault versatile cleaning. So I already read this. Removable battery, ONEPWR ion. Okay, and continuous running time, extra battery. Okay, so there's the battery. It has a battery on the machine. So look at this. There's a lot of stuff in here to be like collecting Hoover or vacuum Hoover vacuum. So it includes ONEPWR battery and charger, wall mount, and crevice tool. So crevice is like a pointed one. Crevice tool. Okay, so I got it in Canadian Tire again. I don't know, kind of like shopping in there, especially if you see some clearance sale, or you know, I got like half price of it or 60% off. So those are French. You can't read French. Goes at the back, on the side. So it's up to 35 minutes run time. No loose of suction. Continuous run time. Or same thing what I read. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna open it now. Okay, put this away. Reason I bought a new one because my old vacuum is like 18 years old now. I'll release some parts, so I couldn't use it properly because missing some parts and it won't. So this is the, what you call it again, this crevice tool. This is what I'm talking about. You know, if you wanna use this on the edge. And what about this one? Oh, this is the wall mount. Wall mount. Some instruction, warranty. So this is one you could use on the floor. Nice. Can you just, oh, this is the headlights right here. Just way on top, the back. Oh wow, look at this. I like this one, red. This is one, it's like a magic one. You know, to do a fencing. Says, oh, this is nice. We are here to help. It says here. So there's a number here. If you need some help, dial this number. Do not return to store. Instead, contact us, hoover.com. So, yikes. If there's something wrong, I'm not gonna return it because it says there, do not return. So what it says is the house. This is where you collect dust. Dirt. Come inside and lock it in inside. There's a trap, there's a trap. So what does this mean? Peel. Peel for, no, I'm not gonna fill. It says here, fill. I'm gonna do that one. Okay, this is what they're talking about. The battery and the charger. Oh wow, look at the charger, it's so small. Nice. Fully charged battery. Fully charged before use. Battery 20% charge. So you're gonna charge like 20% before you use it. So how do you know it's 20%? Oh, right here. So 25, 50, or half, oh no, actually 25, 50, 75, 100%. Nice. Put this away. Box. So much boxing in there. Okay. So I'm gonna assemble now. Let me try. See, I got confused now. So this one, for sure this one is on the top. So, no. Yes? No. No. This is the one. This is the one on the top. There you go. Snap in, it's locked. You take it up. Yeah. There you go. And then this is the one for bottom. Snap in. Yep. And this one. So how do you change the thing? Oh, okay, here you go. See, you're supposed to read the manual, but I'm just guessing how to use it. Garbage. So how do you do this? Okay, here you go. And that's how you throw the garbage. Just collect the dust. Okay, so let dirt cup release. Right here, right? So let me try. Wait. Wait. All right. There you go. Yep. So all you have to do, you can see it. All you have to do is snap in. There you go. And it says peel. Why? Oh no, never mind. I could peel now. That's mean this is the sign for you exactly to put together. Alright, there you go. Peel, peel. And this is the wall mount. How do you put this wall mount? Like this. Nice. And this is the charger. instruction here, just in case if I need more information. Just gonna read this one. There's some French, of course. Welcome to Canada. French and English. French is our second language. Anyways, thanks again for watching. My name is Goody Kambay of GC Lifestyle Weekly Unboxing. Thank you so much.
Hey!